Have you ever seen a frog shaped like a turtle? I must say from the beginning that this frog is completely different from other frogs and even other creatures. For example, the life of this weird and cute little creature is very unusual and surprised the researchers because it does not exist in any living being. Get ready, because you too will be surprised after hearing the strange facts of this animal. The turtle frog is a fascinating specimen with a body shaped like a turtle missing its shell. These animals have small beady eyes and fleshy pink skin and are often described as a blob shape. The frogs bear powerful front limbs, making them well equipped to burrow underground and forage for termites, their favorite food. Rather than burrowing with their hind legs, these animals use their muscular front legs to claw headfirst into sand. They'll keep burrowing until they reach about 3 feet below the surface. Turtle frogs are nocturnal, avoiding the scorching Australian sun during the day. To survive in highly arid environments, turtle frogs bury their eggs in moist sand far below the surface instead of water. They exclusively eat termites and often makes it home near termite hills. Before we continue the video, hit the like button. This variety of frogs is one of the most distinct looking specimens out there. The turtle frog features bright pink skin with gold and black flecks throughout to blend into their surroundings. Their tiny small eyes and wide mouth are well suited to munching on delicious termites. They have blunt noses, stumpy legs, and powerful forearms almost appearing like a turtle missing its shell. At the end of each forearm lies a set of claws, which help turtle frogs dig for food and burrow into their holes underground, where they make their homes. In size, turtle frogs grow to approximately 2 inches. These subterranean creatures spend almost their entire lifespan entirely underground, growing their shelter and food sources. Each individual makes its home near termite colonies, where it can feed on rogue stragglers it encounters. These frogs only emerge from their burrows during the mating season, shortly after seasonal rains in Perth. And their unusual life. According to turtle frog expert Nicola Mitchell, this species has probably the most unusual life of all the frogs. Mitchell describes how these frogs engage in courtship behaviors every spring, the males coming up to the surface to call to the females, but they won't actually mate for another 4 months after that, describing this separation of courtship of mating as unheard of in most frog species. Mitchell adds, if you want to put it curtly, they may have about a 4-month foreplay before they actually mate. It's thought that this strange has to do with the frogs needing to mate in the late summer, because their eggs take around 2 months to develop, and their hatching has to be timed with the rains of winter so the froglets don't dry out. So why do they start courting in the spring, if that means everything else has to be dragged out? Just like their young, adult turtle frogs don't want to risk frying on the surface, so they only leave the safety of their burrows in the spring rain. If you don't know the most poisonous frogs in the world, be sure to watch the related video.